Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining today. Today I'm going to show you how to bind off your knitting work. Any project when the finish, this is how you bind off. It's a very common way to bind off. Here I have a little sample. So on your needle, when you project, you might have a whole bunch, stitches. No matter what kind of stitch are they, say like I have purl stitch, knit stitch, and purl stitch. You all bind off as you're going to knit. So this is my sample. All the stitches will be on the left needle. Here's my right needle. The bind off start with 2 stitches. So I knit one, I knit a second one. Now start processing the bind off. Use the left needle. I'm gonna pick up the first stitch. Now you pass over the second one, drop off from the needle. So I have one remain. Again, start with 2 stitches. So I knit next stitch. Then take one, pick up this first one, pass over and drop. I have one left. Then knit the next one. You can slowly the stitch kind of bind off. And when you bind off, try not to make it too tight. You few stitches, you can stretch a little bit, or still kind of tight. You can use the next large needle to bind off. Like say if you use size 8, might use size 9. If you're too tight for you, you can use size 10 to bind off. Okay, pick it up, drop off, knit next one, have 2, pick up, drop off, and keep going and stretch up. You don't want to, super tight on the, finish line. Pick up the first one, pass over and then drop, then go to knit one, and go pick it up, drop off. You can start with over and over, no matter how many stitches you have on the needle, until you have 1 stitch left. Okay, this is my last one. I'm gonna go finish. So I have 1 left. Okay, you cannot just pull out like this. Okay, make sure when you the end, leave like 4 or 5 inches, at least 3 inches to hide it. Now once again, the last stitch, you want to go through the yarn one more time. You already cut the yarn, then you locked. So this is totally locked the stitch. Here you go. Here's bun up, my little sample bun up. You can check my other videos, or you can sign up my group class or private class. Anyway, I can help you out. And again, thank you very much for joining today. I will see you next time.